Assalamualaikum to all of you. This is Imtiaz in front of you. I learned English language from Paragon Academy Badin under Dr. Tufail Chandesab. I want to talk about exams. Exams are important, but they are not everything. Grades are good, but they don't define you. Please don't belay anyone his grades. You get good grades. You think that I am intelligent than others. That is your misunderstanding. Don't be define your character with your grades, with your marks. There is many potential inside of you if you find them. There is an entrepreneur that doesn't need to understand math. There is a musician, their marks in physics won't matter. There is some sportsman whose physical strength is more important than the grade in chemistry. So don't be think that the doctors and the engineers are the happy people in the world. There is many people which are more happy than there. So don't be think like this, because Albert Einstein also said everyone a genius. But if you judge a fish to ability climb on a tree, it spent its whole time believing that is stupid. So don't be judge yourself with others. You have your own potential and others they have their own. You have your own ideas and other person they have their own vision, own thoughts.